Hi, I'm the younger sister in the JAG family. Today, I want to draw a cute pink hedgehog, even though in your opinion it might not be cute, but like, whatever. So, the reason why I want to draw a pink one is because I never seen a pink hedgehog and I want it to be part of my imagination. And my imagination is not that good. So, yeah, that's why I want to draw a pink hedgehog. And they're also, hedgehogs themselves are adorable if they get on your good sides. But I never saw a hedgehog in real life, even though I saw a bunch of animals in real life, not a hedgehog. And all I heard about a hedgehog is that don't touch their back, and if you let them get alarmed, then watch out for their spiky backs. Even though this hedgehog probably only has fur, not spikes. I don't know, I think I remember it has spikes. But like, since I saw a video of a hedgehog, I don't think so. Anyways, so today I want to draw a hedgehog. As you can see right now, I'm drawing a white sketch above it because, I just wanted to make it like a little sketchy thing. First I wanted to make it brown, so I think like that's what like a hedgehog looks like, right? But I decided pink is better, like pink. I don't know why pink, but just pink. And then so I used Clickabing mask to draw its face and its fur and its tiny details. And as you can see, I'm using Gaussian. I think I'm using Gaussian blur. I forgot. And then I put light there and grass around it. But first I did the feet because, yeah. And then I drew the grass in the background. I redid most of it because I thought it looked disgusting, and I also overall I think it's adorable, and I did a bunch of like random sketching around it because I thought like I need a break. And then I used this brush to draw flowers, and overall I don't really think it's good, but I think it's good at the same time. But wait, why? Okay. I just didn't notice there was a second round. Sorry. I'll let you guys have a break with my talking. I thought I redoed it. Okay, never mind. I'll let you have a break. Yep. So yeah, you're supposed to have a break. Look at its little paws. Okay, never mind. I know you were supposed to have a break, but like, no break right now. So, yeah, I just wanted to point out to some little details, and I did have to look at a few pictures to make it look like this because I didn't really knew what like a hedgehog looked like. I had to see what they look like when they're like curled up sort of. So yeah, I'll let you have your break. This is the final product, even though okay, now I'm done. So as you know, thanks for watching. If you like our content, please make sure to click the subscribe, like, and share button, and leave a comment down below, or else my hedgehog will eat you. Doesn't that sound great? Yeah, I know, right?